To the channel. Today I'm going to get dog stuff for my dog. I'm getting my dog 2 weeks on Sunday. So yeah, so right now I'm just tidying my room. So yeah. I'm going to get cost stuff first, but this is like a daily vlog, so yeah. A really big walk, and then I've got my lunch. It's a ham and cheese toasted. I'm watching some Saffron Barker. There we go. And I'm just gonna eat this, and then yeah. Okay, so now I'm eating an Oreo ice cream sandwich. It's really good. And then I'm gonna watch some more Saffron Barker. I watched TV quite a long time. It's spot on 3 o'clock. Well, it might be 1 minute past 3 right now. But I think I'm away to go and get in the hot tub because it's really nice outside. So I'm gonna get my swimming cozy on and then I'll be back. My swimming costume right now. I'm just getting my sliders out. Oh, let me get them on. But I'll see you down in the hot tub. For like 15 minutes. I just edited the last clip that I made and added some music onto it and all that, but that's about it. Quite bored. I'm not bored, but like I'm in my hot tub and it's quite hot in the hot tub. It's too hot. I'm just getting too hot now, so I think I might get out. But when I get out, I'm not sure what to do because my mum's on a work call right now, so like we can't go and get the pet stuff for my pet yet. My dog yet. They're getting in 2 weeks, so we can't go yet. But I guess I don't know what else I could do. But yeah, so I think I might just get out and get dressed, and then I might just do some of my scrapbook. Yeah, I'm gonna do some of my scrapbook. So yeah. Be back soon. Just decided I'm gonna go with sun cream on. I'm just gonna lie in the sun. You know, oh, it's mascara. Yes, I'm gonna get sun cream on. I'm gonna lie in the sun. Put my hair up, just a messy thingy. Oh, it's clean now. Oh, it's dry, not clean. But got these massive bean bags. I might lie, type sunbathe on them. Yeah. So I'll come back. To go make myself a really refreshing drink, so I'll come back. I should do so we're going to go and get ready, and we're gonna go and get stuff for the dog. I'm literally off my toes excited. Yeah, we're still back there. You don't want to see. Okay, so we're just gonna do my hair, and then yeah, just gonna there you go. Just do it. So we're just gonna do my hair and then we'll see you in the car. Done, so now we're just gonna go in the car. Here. I am back home, and in the last clip it said here, but I meant to say I'm here as at the pet shop. But I didn't film in the pet shop because it was too busy, so I'll do a haul of what we got. We didn't get that much because we don't really know the size of the puppy. We don't want to eat, so we didn't get a lot. We only got 1 toy for it, but we're going to get more don't worry. And yeah, so we'll do a haul at the end of this video, but right now I'm just going to watch some more Saffron Barker, and I just had my tea. Also making another, like, might do another YouTube video tonight, not sure. Like, one trust and right, so me and Sam's my brother, I'm the owner, but well, Sam wants to like give his blanket as well. So we got a blanket. This is my blanket and this is his blanket, so it's got each other's scent on it. No, my sports plan. We got this really cute little dog bed. It's big enough. This little teether toy. We got this lead, this collar that matches the lead, the extendable lead, put bags, and that was it. So, hope you guys like this video. See you soon. Oh, sorry, 2 seconds. See you soon. Bye.